My name is Natalie from the main library downtown, and welcome. I thought it'd be cool to do a little sign language lesson just for funsies. Let's start with the alphabet. So, A. And see, it's just a little fist with your thumb on the side. B. C. D. And see, it's just kind of like that. D. E. F, G, and this looks like this, but to the side, G, H, which is just the two fingers, H, I, J, so J is just the motion, J, K, two fingers and a thumb, K, L, everyone knows L, M is like three fingers. So if you know cursive, I always think of the three humps in cursive. So M, with your little thumb peeking out. M, N, so you're just going to move one down. Move your thumb down just a finger. O, P. P and K get kind of confusing. It's the same thing, but just down. So P, Q, so G and Q, same thing, but different direction. Q, R, S, T, so M, N, T, so it's one hump. T, U, V, W, so not three, but this is W. X, a little hook, Y, and Z. That's your little alphabet. Some cool intros. So like hello is hello. And it just starts from your head and you just do a little rainbow. Hello. And then hey, you just have your hand out flat and you just do a little wave. Hey. Or what's up? So it looks like that. Turn it to the side and what's up? My name is, so my name, and in the American Sign Language, you actually don't do little words like is. So my name is, which is just implied, and then you finger spell your name. So mine would be, my name is N-A-T-A-L-E-E. So we have two letters like that, like mine has E-E, you just slide it over. And then when you're asking for someone's name, you kind of rearrange the sentence. Like the word what would go at the end, like what is your name? Instead, it's your name what? So your, which is kind of like you're stopping someone, but you're not. It actually means your. So your name what? Your name what? And you're like, oh, my name is, and then you can finger spell it. And that is the word finger spell, like that. Another cool question is where you're from. And again, you rearrange it to you from where? So you point, it's you from where? And I'm just shaking my finger. And from you, when you move, when you have a hand that's doing the motion, you always use your dominant hand. And so it can be right or left, either way. So from. And another one, so you're meeting someone and you're like, oh, it's nice to meet you. So it's nice, just kind of like you're spreading butter on your hand. Nice to meet you. So you have your one finger, and then your dominant one. To meet you. So it's nice to meet you. So there's a few little helpful greetings in sign language and the alphabet, and I hope maybe you can have a nice little conversation with somebody, at least a little introduction. All right, have a nice day, and I'll be seeing you around. Bye.